Hey, what's going on? Day is here. I've been procrastinating, but we need to assess the damage and the rust, whatever, on these rear quarter panels. OPG is running, they sent me a catalog, they're running a sale. $314 for a full quarter. So let's check it out and see if we need to put new on here or if we can save these. All right, sanded a little bit on this spot right here. There's a big old blob of Bondo there. It seems like there's just a dent. And then they, Bondoed over it. But of course I see a hole right here, and you can see how thick it is right here. So I'm thinking this hole, this is rust down here for sure. You can see the hole, I ground off right here, and it's pretty dented right here. And there's, the rust right here from the trunk channel. But the sail looks pretty good except for right here. Of course, they tried to put fiberglass to repair the window channel. This was all full of that fiberglass and Bondo too, and it's pretty decent. So I'm thinking this may be pretty decent up here too. They just tried to feather it in to make it look natural, of course. Yeah, but we'll get that all ground off and see what the top looks like. I have a brand new Dutchman panel. This looks pretty bad up here and down there. Not sure what's going on right here. Probably more dents. All right, I guess we get this interior out of here, get that back seat and then the carpet on there, because on the behind the doors here, that welds onto the rocker panel, and we got to be able to get in there. Yeah, let's get busy. Just need a little persuasion. Not too shabby. All right, let's get the carpet out and get the mouse sucker in there and get that all vacuumed out. I have to get some sweet tea first. Yeah. All right, I guess this is the original floor matting stuff, rubber. So kind of liking what I'm seeing so far. Yeah, I guess the water must have set like right in there and rusted that out a little bit. We'll clean that up. Not too shabby though. Alright, well, we're almost to the back, but figured I'd get this all cleaned up and a little bit on the passenger front there. Yeah, we can put a patch in there. The rest of it looks really nice. So it looks nice. A little bit right back here. That's patchable. Of course, the back under the back seat is way worse. And that's on both sides. But in the center, it looks pretty good. So, you know, we'll look it up and see what they, you know, what kind of patches they have available. If not, you know, we can just weld something in there underneath the back seat. No, you know, no one's going to see that. Nobody cares. Well, maybe 2 people. Yeah, just right here, the toe board. That doesn't look too bad. Little bit right here where the seat is, where the seat bolts down. All up in the center. I haven't took those off yet. Those are, I guess, the factory sound deadening. But it's really nice. The floor on the back seat. Little bit right there. We can patch that, and then of course the under the back seat is pretty torched. It's a shame that they took that window out and left it exposed, because I think that would have all been nice if that wouldn't have happened. But all right, let's see if we can get these panels off. All right, I got the deal off. It's got factory plastic on here. Let's take a look. All right, we got the around the fender well. Which makes sense. Might be able to get away with just fixing this one spot right here. All right, I ground down the sail panel on this one. This one's not as good as the other side. Look at that fancy. It looks like they put some screws in here in this little patch and then ground the tops off. Good 1/2 inch. Wow. We'll cut all that out. Then in the same right here along this edge. But the rest of it looks probably salvageable. And then we'll fix this down here. Appears that these never been off. All right, let's see what's on all that Bondo, behind all that Bondo. First, the bottom is roached out. It's kind of hard to get the camera in here. Take all this off and we'll see what's behind there. We'll just undo what they did and then reassess it. We'll get all this Bondo off of here. I mean, it's pretty bad, but we got a lot of patch panels to do, but you know, hey, it's all part of it. We'll get back out on it tomorrow. Tired, dinner time, pajamas, air conditioning. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning? Oh, after I weed eat. Hey, next day. Got a late start today. We worked on Gita's project for a while. So let's get that Bondo off and see what's underneath there. Gita cut my hair. You'll wear a hat for a couple weeks. You'll be all right. Sure is cooler. Dude, that's some serious ass Bondo. Damn. All right, come to the conclusion that we got some sort of wreck damage or something happened here. It's crinkled all the way around here, down. Look at them fancy patch panels. There's some more wrinkling right there. I mean, you can see where they drilled all the holes to try to pull it out. So this, yeah, that took a hit somehow. All right, between that and all that, I didn't even grind that off. I was re-looking in the catalog last night, and they sell this whole quarter just except it, without the sail panel, and it comes up like an inch or two up the sail, and they're only 119 bucks. So yeah, that's a no-brainer. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do on this side. And we'll just go ahead and patch this right here. And on the other side, so this quarter looks pretty good. We'll fix the rust right here. We'll put a patch in there. And then we'll put a patch on the bottom section right here. And then we'll put a patch right here. You figure the full quarter is on sale for $314. I can't remember what I said, $315, something like that. Plus, I'm sure it's a couple $100 of shipping. So that's $1,000 for both sides. And if we just get the quarter panel on this side, and I'm sure it's 100 and something to ship it. So that's 200 and some bucks. So I got to keep reminding myself, you know, we're not restoring this car. We're just going to make a solid car and, you know, drive the crap out of it. And then down the road a ways, you know, if we want to take it a little further, then we can. So, but that would save us like $800. And that's $800 we could stick, you know, somewhere else. So, because I'm definitely going to need some interior stuff. Yeah, we're going to get that quarter. We're going to fix that quarter and save $800. So, still got a lot of work to do, but, you know, getting there. Not really. Yeah, when you hear that metal, that's metal creak, the roof creaking. When the sun comes out, that just expands and contracts and, you know, starts popping. And then when the shade comes, you know, it starts contracting the other way. So if you ever hear that sound, that's what that is. Kind of aggravating, but, you know, what you can do. But I appreciate everybody watching, and, you know, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.